In this video, I'll show you how to create and use Aliexpress account in a step-by-step process. I've given a link in the description of this video. If you click on that, you'll reach to the official site of Aliexpress, and once you reach to this kind of interface, then simply go to account and click on join. Once you click on join, simply put your email address and then here put a password that you can remember. And just slide this to the right side, and once it is showing success, then click on create account. So you have created your Aliexpress account. Now in order to do shopping in Aliexpress, you can see here are the categories that you can browse in. For example, if you hover your mouse over men's fashion, then you can click on any of the things that you want in order to purchase it, or you can also type here like ladies bag, and you can click on this, and now you will see lots of ladies bag. Now here are some things that you need to know, and that is you may need to buy an item in some price range. If you hover your mouse over here, then you will see the price range. You can hover here, you can hover here, you can hover here, and you can hover here, okay, or you can manually type the price here in this way and click on OK. It will show you the items that are in this price level. Similarly, you can firstly, let me delete it, and then you can click on free shipping, and then you can click on search. I think no item will be shown here, but it is still showing because I have deleted it. Now let me click on free shipping. Now you can see if something doesn't seem to be functioning, then you can simply reload the browser. Okay, so let me reload it. Okay, so here you can see all the items are showing that are of free shipping. You do not need to pay for any shipping in this kind of item. Now if you click on this, then it will show you the products that are above 4 rating, okay, 4 and up. Okay, similarly you can click on best match, you can click on orders, you can click on newest. The newest product will be shown in orders. It will show you the items that have a maximum number of purchase, and if you click on price, it will show you once the highest price, and if you click it again, you can see above arrow is orange right now, and if you click on here, below arrow will be orange, and it will show you the price that are lower. If it didn't show, simply reload it. Sorry, so I just faced a minor problem in my browser, that's why the browser seems a little bit different now. So now let's continue. So in order to purchase inside Aliexpress, you can simply click on any product that you want to buy. Let's buy some leggings. Okay, so now you can see here are several leggings. Now let's see for this. Simply click on that, and then you can choose the color that you want to purchase. Okay, any color that you may want, or and size, you can select on size, small, medium, large, extra large, and then you can also, so it is only shipped from China, so you have no any option to select here, but in some case you may be receiving the goods from Germany, United States or any other country also, and in that case you can select those country whichever is near to your country. Okay, and you can select the quantity here. Now once you do this much, then you can do two things. You can either add it to cart and go for another shopping, go to select another product, or you can simply click on buy now. Okay, if you add to cart, then there will be 4-5 item or 2 item 3 item that you will select, and then at last you can buy all in the checkout page. Or you can simply only you may want to buy this product, so you simply click on buy now, and then you can add your shipping information. Just click on add new address and put your name, phone number, address. You can put this kind of stuff here. And in case of zip code, if you get confused, you can simply type your city name or state name and zip code in Google, and it will show you your exact location's zip code. Then you can put it in here and click on set as default and save and continue. So if you click on set as default, then if you purchase any item from inside AliExpress, then this shipping address will be used again and again. Okay, so once you do that much, then click on select payment method. Whichever payment method is good for you, you can use it. Simply click on card and put the card number here, and card holder name, your name, and the name that is in the card. Okay, and your expiry date, and click on save this card if you want to save. If you don't want to save, then you can you should not check this box. Okay, so after you do this much, you can simply click on place order. Okay, and you may also have with the link that I have given in the description below, you may have received some email with some promo code. You can put that promo code here and click on apply, and you'll get some discount. So you may be wondering why this price is showing $83 here while the product price is $73, because it has a shipping price, and from China to my country at the current moment it is expensive shipping. So as you can see, the product price is 7.36 and my shipping cost is 75.94. so I'll be unable to order this item, but in your case that may not be. So you can simply click on place order and you will be good to go to receive your product as soon as possible. So now let's see in case of shipping address. So as you can see, I have only one destination, that is China, and what I can do is I can click on here. So there is no any other, only DHL and FedEx, but there is also another delivery method which is quite lower. I'll show you that also. Let's go here and click on free shipping. And then let me reload it. Okay, so let's see, for this it is a free shipping. Now let me select the size. Okay, and let me select the shipping method. Okay, here is the shipping that is totally free. Other shipping costs me $50, $85, even in the product of $4. So I will select free shipping and click on buy now, and you can see I'll be only paying $4.12. So simply after filling this information, I can review my order here and click on place order. So in this way you can use AliExpress in an easy way. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like this video. If you have any questions, then I will be more than happy to answer you in the comment section below. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.